Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'm going to show you how I make this delicious loaded hot dog. I'm going to be using these bad dog sausages because bad dogs and hot dogs are a match made in heaven. We're going to cook them on the grill for about 8 minutes, turning occasionally. We're also adding bacon to the mix, so we're going to use these streaky bacons from Caribbean Passion. I recommend that you cook the bacon by putting it in the pot while the pot is still cold, so that way it does not stick to the pot. Now, while the bacon's going, we're going to get the bun ready. We're using the same grill. We're just going to put the bun on the grill and toast it on both sides just to get it nice and warm and cook through. While the bun's doing its thing, we're going to get the condiment mix ready. We're using mayo, we're using barbecue sauce, Thousand Island salad dressing, Worcestershire sauce, and we're also going to use some dried parsley flakes and some crushed red pepper. Mix that together completely and get it nice and incorporated. Oh, I also forgot that we're using ketchup, but that's closer to the end. Anyway, so we're using lettuce and kale. We're using red onions, green peppers, tomato, chop the bacon, of course, and we're using cheese. Too much cheese. We're gonna go in and we're gonna cut the buns open, and you're gonna use your fingers to kind of like pull the bun apart and press it in to make kind of a little pocket. So you're gonna use your fingers to press the bread down to make a bit of a pocket, and then you're gonna go in with your condiment mix. Just get as much in there as you like or as little as you like. Now, after you've got the condiments in, we're gonna go in with the cheese. Now, I'm using pepper jack cheese, but you could use any other cheese. This is just the cheese that was in the fridge. And since I'm making two, one for myself and for my husband, I'll do whatever I do on one, on the other. After you put the cheese in and stuff it in, we're going to go in with the red onions. And guys, remember, balanced equations. Whatever you do for one, you're going to do for the other. Go in with the sweet peppers as well. We're going to put that in, and you're going to make sure that while you're doing all this, you're stuffing down. Okay, so occasionally make sure that you stuff it down. And we're going to go and add the not sweet peppers, add the tomatoes. And of course, again, remember, you're going to stuff it in and make sure that it goes down into the pocket that you created earlier. Same for the lettuce and kale mix. I'm gonna go in and do that as well. And then after I've added the lettuce and kale, I'm gonna go over that with some of the shredded cheese, and then I will go and put the sausages, which is the star of the show, on top of that. Again, just slightly press it in to make sure that it hugs into the pocket, because you don't want your sausage falling out. That's like totally annoying. You're eating a hot dog and the sausage falls out. Then we're gonna go over with our crunchy bacon bits. We're gonna sprinkle that over the top of the sausages, and just have fun with this part, okay? And go in with your shredded cheese to top it all off. As much cheese as you like or as little cheese as you like is up to you, but I like to add quite a bit of cheese, so I'm putting that on mine. And then we're gonna put them back on the grill while the grill is still warm, just so that the cheese can slightly melt through, and we're gonna finish up with the ketchup on top. And that is it, guys. Listen, when I tell you that this loaded hot dog is delicious, trust me on that. You can take that to the bank. So if you decide to try this recipe, let me know in the comment section down below. But until next time, guys, that is all for today. I'm just gonna say thank you so very much for watching if you stuck around. And this was the bomb. See you next time.